Hey, what's up? This is Anupam. Welcome back. This is the fourth tutorial on the video tutorial series on UART in STM32F4Discovery board. You can check out my website www.logicvoltage.com. You can watch many other tutorials at the website also. You can even check out the video store at the website. It has some good video tutorial series there with a very attractive price. A lot of people are buying it. You can also get them and learn some very awesome things about embedded programming. You can get in touch with me also in case of any query. Just go to contact us page and fill up the form and I will reply. You can check out the forum also. For any tutorial related queries or any technical questions, you can just register yourself on the website and then create a new topic on a forum and write your questions and doubts. And I will reply back there so that other people can also see the comments and what discussion is going on. Please make some donations so that we can continue to make the tutorials free for you. You are welcome to choose any amount as you like for donation. We will be highly appreciated. You can also support us by subscribing my YouTube channel. Thanks. Okay guys, so in this tutorial series till now we have learned about UART communication. We have learned how transmission and receiving process occurs in the UART communication. We have then created a circuit using two discovery boards and done the UART communication. So now in this tutorial we will use the UART communication to control the STM32F4Discovery board via smartphone by using Bluetooth. For Bluetooth communication we need two Bluetooth devices. One we will get from smartphone, as nowadays generally in every smartphone we have Bluetooth. But we need another for STM32F4Discovery board. We will add an additional Bluetooth module to the discovery board and then we will control the discovery board with this smartphone. Now let me show you the Bluetooth module. Okay guys, so this is the Bluetooth module that we will use. It's HC05 module. It's Bluetooth version 1.0. We will connect this module to the discovery board. If you see here, we have 5 pins on this module: ground, 5 volt, TX, RX, key. We will use the first 4 pins in this tutorial. We will not use the key pin. Key pin is for enabling the command mode. That's a different topic which has many other things and beyond the scope of this tutorial. So what we will do is, in this tutorial we will just use the Bluetooth to send characters to discovery board, and on the basis of those characters discovery board will switch on or off the LEDs. Okay, before we go on, let me tell you one thing. In the market you will find many kind of Bluetooth modules. Some may have 4 pins or some may have 5 pins or maybe some has 6 pins. So don't worry, this tutorial will work with other kind of Bluetooth modules also. We just need 4 pins to work. One will be either 5 volt or 3 volt and one will be a ground pin, and then other 2 will be TX and RX pin for transmitting and receiving. And then if some extra pins it has, then those are for some other purposes. So it will not impact anything that we will do in this tutorial. Hence, you don't have to get exactly this kind of looking module. If you have other kind, that will also work. Okay, now let's start. Okay, so let me first show you how the circuit will look, and then we will physically build the circuit. Okay, so let's start. Let's say we have discovery board here. And then we have 4 LEDs here. Then we have 4 pins on the discovery board: PD0, PD1, PD2 and PD3. Now connect the PD0 pin to LED 1. Then connect the PD1 pin to LED 2. Then connect the PD2 pin to LED 3. And then connect the PD3 pin to LED 4. And then we have a ground pin on the discovery board. Now we will connect all the negative sides of the LEDs together, and then we will connect them to ground pin on the discovery board. Now let's say we have the Bluetooth module here, and it has 5 pins. Now but we'll only use 4 pins. So here we have 5 volt and ground pin, and then we have RX and TX pins. Okay, so what we will do is connect the Bluetooth module to discovery board. We have 5 volt pin and 1 ground pin in the discovery board. So we will connect the 5 volt pins and ground pins. And then we have TX and RX pins on the discovery board. If you remember, in the last tutorial we have connected 2 discovery boards together and done the UART communication. So in that circuit we have found PA8 and PA9 pin for TX and RX in the technical data sheet for STM32F4Discovery microcontroller. It's the TX and RX pins for UART 3. So same we will use in this tutorial. We have TX is PA8 and RX is PA9. Okay, then we will connect the TX pin of Bluetooth module to RX pin on discovery board, and then the RX pin of Bluetooth module to TX pin on discovery board. Okay, so now our circuit is complete. Now let's say this is a smartphone or any mobile phone that has a Bluetooth functionality. So now what we will do is we will connect our mobile phone to this module through Bluetooth connectivity. And then what we will do is we will send data from our smartphone to this Bluetooth module using the Bluetooth communication. Now we will write the program in such a way that when we will send a character from the smartphone to Bluetooth module, then it will send to the STM32F4Discovery board from the Bluetooth module using the UART protocol. and then STM32F4 Discovery board will light up the first LED for few seconds. And in the same way, if we send the B character, then it will light up the LED 2 for 2 seconds. And if we send C character, then it will light up the LED 3 for few seconds. And in case we send something else, then it will light up the LED 4 for few seconds. Hence, you can see that we are controlling the STM32F4 Discovery board using our smartphone, and we are doing this wirelessly using the Bluetooth. Okay, so now we have understood how the circuit will work. Let's now build the circuit. Okay, so here we have Discovery board and breadboard. Let's now connect the 4 LEDs one by one. Okay, now let's connect the resistor for each LED. Okay, now let's connect the first LED to PD0. Then connect the second LED to PD1. Then connect the third LED to PD2. Then connect the fourth LED to PD3. Now connect the LED's negative sides together. And then connect it to ground pin on the Discovery board. Okay, so now our all 4 LEDs are connected. Now next is the Bluetooth module. Here we have that module. Now connect the 5V pin from the module to Discovery board. Then connect the ground pin from the module to Discovery board. Now connect the RX pin from Bluetooth module to pin on the Discovery board. And then connect the TX pin from the Bluetooth module to pin on the Discovery board. Okay, so now our circuit is complete. Let's start writing the program for this circuit. Okay, we have built the circuit. So now we can start writing the program for this. Let's create a new project. Let's name it Bluetooth. Okay, so now our project is created. Let's delete the unnecessary comments. And delete these statements also, we do not need them. Okay, now correct the clock settings. Okay, now our initial configurations are done. Let's start writing. Okay, so first is configure all the 4 LED GPIO pins. Okay, our LEDs are configured and initialized. So next is initialize the GPIO pins for UART 3. That means transmitter and receiver pins. Well, actually the STM32F4Discovery will only receive data from the Bluetooth module using UART protocol, but it will not transmit anything to Bluetooth module. Hence, we will only use the RX pin of the Discovery board and not the TX pin. So we will only configure the RX pin here. Let's do that. Okay, our receiver pin is now initialized. Next is initialize the UART3 itself. Okay, UART3 is now initialized. Now we need to initialize the receiving interrupt also, so that whenever we got any character from the Bluetooth module on the RX pin of the microcontroller, an interrupt generates. Let's do that. Okay, so we have a receiver interrupt configured and initialized. So next is we need to write the interrupt service routine. Let's do that. First, declare the variable in which we will store the received character. And then write the ISR. Okay, this is the complete ISR for the UART3 receive interrupt. You can see here, first in the if condition, we are checking if the receive interrupt is occurred or not. And then we are getting the character that we have received from the Bluetooth module. Then we have few if-else statements. In each if-else block, we are checking what character we have received. Like here, we are checking if we have received a character. And if yes, then we are switching on the LED one for few seconds. And same in other if-else blocks. And then in the last else block, we are lighting up the LED 4 in case we receive something else other than A, B and C. And then finally, we are clearing the receive interrupt flag. Hence you can see how the LEDs will behave as per the received character from the Bluetooth module. Okay, so now our program is complete. We have everything configured and initialized. Let's build the program and run it on the discovery board. Okay, so now our program is running on this board. As you can see that we have no LEDs switch on and we have the Bluetooth module switch on. You can see that we have red LED blinking over here. It's indicating that it's waiting for some other Bluetooth to connect. Okay, so next is we need a phone that will connect to this Bluetooth and send character. Here I have a Samsung Android tab and I have downloaded an application from Google Play named Bluetooth Terminal. Actually, if you search for Bluetooth serial terminals apps in Google Play, you will find many. So you can use any of them. So I have just downloaded and installed Bluetooth Terminal app and it is now open as you can see in the screen. If you see that we have a connect button at top corner here. So first is your mobile Bluetooth should be turned on. Next is to connect your mobile Bluetooth to this Bluetooth module. So to establish that connection, tap this connect button and then scan for devices. You will find some name. You could get any name actually. I am getting RDL name because by default the name of this Bluetooth is RDL, but you could be a different name. Then tap the name. It's now asking the passcode for pairing. By default the passcode of the Bluetooth module is 1234. So enter 1234 and OK. Okay, so now our Bluetooth connection is established with the Bluetooth module. The connection is done because I can see green light over here in the module. Okay, so now we can send characters from our mobile to this Bluetooth module and it will switch on the LEDs as per the received character. So now what we will do is I will type A here and then press enter. So this will send A character to this Bluetooth module and then this A character will be transferred to the discovery board via UART protocol. and then receive interrupt will get generated on this discovery board, and the ISR will start executing. In the ISR, we have written that if received character is A, then light up the LED 1 for few seconds. Hence, LED 1 will get light up the moment I send A from my smartphone. Let's do that and see what will happen. Okay guys, you can see that first LED got light up. Let's send B character. That's great. The LED 2 got light up. Now let's send C character. Okay, you can see that LED 3 got light up. And if we send something else, then fourth LED got light up. Okay guys, so we have completely built a circuit and done Bluetooth connection. That's great guys. So now you have the ability to control the discovery board wirelessly. Okay, so in this tutorial we have built a circuit and established Bluetooth connection using our phone. We have built the circuit in such a way that we controlled the discovery board using our phone. You could use this type of circuit for many situations. You could build a small circuit and use it on your home, where you can control your home lights just by using your phone. Actually, there are plenty of ways where you could use this type of circuit. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Once again, this is Anupam from www.logicvoltage.com, and thanks for watching. Bye.